Hey everyone, today we are diving into the world of AI and showing you how to access the impressive QWEN 2.5 language model right from your phone. QWEN 2.5 is a powerful tool for everything from brainstorming ideas to generating creative content. While there isn't a dedicated app yet, accessing it through your iPhone's web browser is super easy. First, open your preferred web browser, type this, and hit the search. Tap on the first link. This will take you to the QWEN 2.5 chat interface. Now to start using the model, you will need to either create an account or log in if you already have one. Simply tap on login and log in with your Google. Tap on Google. Tap on your Google account. Tap on continue. Confirm it. And that's it, you are now logged in. Once you are logged in, you will be greeted with a QWEN 2.5 chat interface. You can start typing your prompts or questions right away. It's that simple. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.